Okay, doing a service call. I don't see any spark. Okay, let's see. Thought I just heard the valve. Yeah, the valve clicked. One, two. Got a 2 flash. I didn't even see the pilot lid or anything. Probably why, right? Because it's so small. It's probably a tiny little, probably a blocked pilot tube, right? If we're getting a 2 flash. 1, 2. So 2 flash is low thermopile voltage. And I don't see any pilot light. It just turned over again. I'm going to turn over in the middle of turning over. Oh, that's weird. Let's see if it fires up. Yeah, no, so. Oh, this thing's acting all kinds of weird. Alright, so let's see if my little battery bank here.
Well, you're not walking back to the car already, so.
Yeah, no, it did come up. It came up flashing twice.
I had not seen any of the blue lights since.
Yeah, it's flashing twice.
I don't know, is that a code or something?
Yeah, it's a fault code. So. Been a little bit blocked in the pilot tube. You can also have like no gas. Remember when we screwed around with that forever? Let's just verify we don't. Nothing is easy. One of those days where everything's fighting me. This guy likes to rock out. I'm gonna soundtrack from my video. Okay, so I did get the valve to come up. It was flashing twice, red. That's fault code 2, low thermopile voltage. Valve would not kick over. I blew through the pilot tube. I just unscrewed it and pushed a bunch of compressed air through there. So hopefully that's what it is, because I did not see a pilot flame at all. So hoping I don't have to crack into the burner assembly here and dig around. If it's one of those thermopiles that goes way in the back, I might be in trouble. But we shall see here in a minute. So I'm just kind of purging it right now because I pushed so much air through it, and we'll see if we get a better pilot. Yeah, I see it now. It's way in the back. It's reflecting off that little glass, so I think that's good. I think it was just a partially blocked pilot tube, which would mean easy money for me. Let's see if I can, you guys can see it back in there. It's way in the back, like 3 o'clock-ish. Yeah, kicked over blue. That's good. So yeah, cool. Right? So we did a visual on it. It should kick over. Why isn't it kicking over? What's going on with this thing? It's not hot. Why isn't it kicking over? This is weird. What we wanted to do is start. Looks like we're gonna have to dig into the valve now and find out what's going on. Still blinking. Okay, still got pilot flame. I'm gonna measure the thermopile voltage. It's not that bad. We've seen worse. Yeah, 502. Still climbing. I don't think I really have any more of these circuit boards, but I'm getting so low on these circuit boards to take the chamber sensors. It's crazy. Okay, we'll be right back. What do we got here? 567, 68. It's not terrible. Let's reconnect it. Yeah, nothing. We're getting nothing. What did that guy say in the text message today? He sent a message, said 90% of the time it's the pilot assembly. So according to him, it's the pilot assembly, which it could be. But that little voltage didn't come up anything, unless it's broken too. I think it's the circuit board. Let's test it out. Hold on, we got a code now. Oh, well. What do we got? Oh, this fucker just keeps going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay, so maybe it's the valve. Okay, I am back with tools. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test ohm, and then I'm also going to do the battery test. Right? Maybe I should do the battery test first. That would be exciting. So what is the battery test? This is something that somebody showed me as a way to test the valve. If it clicks, then it's good. So you put the ground to ground. Hopefully you can kind of see this. Maybe I'll put a little light on it. Ground to ground. Yeah. So according to him, this is a good valve. I have a feeling this test is always going to do this. I think if you throw 9 volts at a valve, you're almost always gonna get it to click. Anyway, so let's do an ohm test. We got 12 on the pilot and 11, so that's well within range. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the circuit board and see if it'll fire up, because I think it's the circuit board Because 90% of the time, that's what I see. Alright, we got a good healthy pilot light there way in the back. Yeah, fired right up, right? Bad valve my ass. It's the circuit board. Alright. Well, this guy can get hot water. So 90% of the time, this is what I see. Bad circuit boards. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. I do service calls, water heater installations, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, well, so far the using the battery to test the valve has been 100% success. The valve clicked both sides, both the pilot side and the main gas burner side, and of course the ohm reading was normal. So I used it at home on like 3 different valves that I had in a bad valve pile, and it clicked for all of them except for one. So not sure what that means yet, but I'm gonna keep doing it to try and verify if valves are bad or not, because that ohm test, of course, is kind of useless for me. They almost all seem to fall within range, and now I got the battery here to try and do some testing, at least to try and verify for sure one side of it's bad. So yeah, that was kind of a success. So the tenant has hot water, so we're happy about that, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.